it's gonna end. Oh no. Tell me now, tell me something. 'Cause I don't wanna be just friends. No, no. Yeah. Hear me out, hear me out. Like I make you do the craziest things. Yeah. I didn't mean to hurt you, babe. No, no. If you decide to leave, you will help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me now.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today's video, we are going to Hotpot 757. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. We are on a double date with a couple of friends. So let's go ahead and get a little video of the outside. As we are going into 757 Hotpot, I want to go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I'm the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. And on this channel, you'll get vlogs, you'll get DITL, day in the lives, and you'll get cleaning motivations and DIY inspirations. I really hope that y'all enjoy this vlog of us going on our double dates with my friends Wanda and Brian, and I really hope that y'all enjoy. Have y'all ever been to a hot pot place? Let me know. Yeah, because it was fun, but I wouldn't do it just us. I would have to have a group of us. So, but all right, just enjoy. I will say that the food was good. You do got to cook your own food and make your own sauce, but it was good. Yes.
So tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you. Start all over. Tell me now. Oh, can we find love? Can we go back? All I want is to love you. Yeah, start all over. Tell me now, tell me now.
Blue cups.
So you guys saw our first appointment.
My
Their first time here after you've been here.
yes, explain.
So we have the all you can eat, the hot pot and a barbecue.
Uh-huh.
Hot pot goes on the electric grill top.
Okay.
And then the barbecue goes in the middle of the grill.
Okay.
The hot pot is a soup base. We have a vegetarian one, and then we also have the others, the chicken and beef base.
Okay.
And everything here, this is all included in the hot pot. The veggies, the meat, and all of this, and then it comes out uncooked and raw, so you have to cook it yourself. And they go in the pot. And then for the barbecue, this is the meats, and then we have seafood and veggie in the back. They're all mainly marinated and spiced already. And then also outside, we have a bar over there. It has sauces and fruits and sides. They're all included in both the hot pot and the barbecue.
Okay.
You can feel free to get up whenever you want, and you can keep over there to refill it. And then for the hot pot and barbecue, you order with me, and then the kitchen comes out with your items.
Okay.
Right? And they come out in really small portions, so if you're scared that you won't be able to finish it, you can always order multiple times. Alright?
Okay.
Mommy, baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should rely on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay silent one time if you lie on me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck.
So that's the pot.
That's the pot. and it's gonna bring it up to a semi.
So he just turned it on.
Yeah, he just turned the iron on so it starts to heat up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And by the time that the meats and vegetables come,
It should be
you
hot.
kind of watch it cook. So you can tell it's ready. You know, it's fully cooked and not raw anymore. Just pour it in the bowl.
Okay.
And start eating to it.
Okay.
I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. Bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
As always, we are the family that love life and having fun and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. I want to thank Wanda and Brian for suggesting this place for us to go and eat and have a double date. We have been planning this for years. We finally got it done. The men folk were talking and talking. I love it when they do that. Me and Wanda talk all the time, but they were talking, and I love it when that happens. So thank y'all for spending your precious time with us, because time is precious. And we will see y'all on the tube. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share. Y'all be blessed. And we'll see y'all on the tube. Peace out, y'all.
Loud. Don't wanna be shy. I